No, it is a historical victory. It's a historical day, not just for the people of Trivandrum and the Karyakartas of Trivandrum, but for every Karyakarta of BJP NDA across the state, because we have made very significant strides in our vote share, in our political footprint, in across the state, in many local bodies. We are today in hardcore areas of the LDF and the UDF. BJP and the NDA have made gains, and that those gains are not short-term gains; those are permanent gains. And I think this will stand in good stead for the coming assembly election, because this assembly election, this local body election, has certainly established one thing, that the left is out of the picture. That the LDF is something that the BJP, the people of Kerala don't want anymore. It is a certain clear message, and that now the option is between the NDA and the UDF in the coming assembly election. Look, I have a simple rule of not responding to Congress on anything, because whatever they say usually is nonsense. This is a fight. We had a fight. We were the first ones and the ones consistently to attack the LDA for their corruption and for their malgovernance. The Congress is the one who was in the India alliance in 27 states and 8 union territories with the CPM. So the Congress should not try and mislead the people of Kerala into believing something other than the truth. That if any party today is doing any cross-voting with anybody, it is the Congress with the CPM. And if you want an example of that, take a look at Kodungalur results, where Congress, which used to get 200, 300 votes per booth, have been reduced to 25 votes per booth because they have transferred the entire votes to the LDF. So the Congress better not open their mouth, because a lot of embarrassing truths will come out otherwise. I am happy for the CPM to mock me. I am happy for the Congress to mock me. As long as the people of Kerala support me, if the people of Kerala welcome our politics, that is all we want. We don't want any endorsement from corrupt twins like the Congress on the left. Certainly, that is not something I will, even if they endorse me, is not something that I will be very happy about. It is not a victory for me. Let me just tell you one thing. This is a party that has tremendously hardworking, committed, sincere cadre and Karyakartas who have all worked for the last 6 months very diligently, very sincerely with this vision of Prime Minister of Vikasita Kerala. I am just one Karyakarta amongst many Karyakartas, and this is a collective victory and a result of the collective hard work of both leaders and Karyakartas of this party. And I must say, I am very proud to be a part of this party. Why don't you also invite him? I'll also invite him.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.